What's up, guys? We are back with another video. We are, my state right now is under a major winter storm warning, which is why you can see a whole lot of snow out here. We got about like 12 inches of snow right now, and it's only going to get worse throughout the day today, but it should start to let off tomorrow. And yeah, a lot of snow to deal with. But luckily we got the Christmas decorations set up inside. Here's the Christmas tree right here. Looks like really nice. And yeah. So, thanks for watching, guys. See ya.